Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking to grab a high-quality dash cam or car accessory without paying full price, your moment has come. Rexing is running amazing discounts right now, and I've got fresh coupon codes that will help you save big. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the max discount. Rexing is one of the top dash cam and car tech brands out there, known for great video quality, reliable performance, and solid build. Whether you're looking for a budget model, a 4K camera, or even smart accessories, Rexing makes it easy to upgrade your ride. And with these discount codes, you can get your favorite products at one of the lowest prices of the year. Here are the codes you can try. REX15, save 15% off on orders over $149. REX10, flat 10% off on orders above $179. SAVE 20, extra 20% off site-wide for new customers. Bundle 25, 25% off when you grab 2 or more dash cams. Free ship 2025, free shipping on select orders over $99. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your product, apply one of these coupon codes at checkout, and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the biggest discount, try another. One of these will definitely work for your setup. So don't wait. Deals like this won't last forever, and Rexing's most popular models sell out fast. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and secure your dash cam or accessory today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more deals and reviews, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.